Now children, we come to the size of India. Look at the map of India having green boundary and the red boundary line. So India covers an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. India's total area is 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. That means 3.28 million square kilometer is the area, and that accounts for 2.4% of the geographical area of the world. Next, we come to number 2. India is the world's 7th largest country with a land boundary of about 15,200 km and a total length of coastline is being 7,516.6 km. So the red line is the coastline, which is 7,516.6 km, and the red line is your land boundary, which is 15,200 km. Next, we come to number 3. India's east-west extent appears to be smaller than the north-south extent. If you look at the north and south distance, approximate ID, if you see it, and if you see the distance between the Gujarat side and Arunachal Pradesh side, then the Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh side seems to be little small, less than Kashmir to Kanyakumari. India has the world's youngest fold mountain, and that is Himalaya. The northern part of India, specifically from Jammu and Kashmir till Arunachal Pradesh and even down towards your Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram side, Mizoram Tripura side also, you have the mountain range extension of the Himalayan region. It is the world's youngest fold mountain. The number 5. India's latitudinal and longitudinal extent is about 30 degree. If you see the east and west side, the longitudinal extent of India, then you will find the longitudinal extent is about 30 degree. From Gujarat, if you deduct Gujarat from Gujarat side longitude to Arunachal Pradesh side longitude, you will have in between 30 degree your 30 lines. 30 degree means 30 lines of longitudes. The standard meridian 82.82 degree 30 minute east passes through Mirzapur in UP is taken as IST for the whole country. So the standard time is taken as a line that passes through the longitudinal line that passes through Mirzapur near your Allahabad, and that line 82 and a 82 degree 30 minute east has been taken as the center of India, and that has been taken as the Indian Standard Time. Number 7. The time gap between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat is about 2 hours, as Arunachal Pradesh is in the far east and Gujarat in the extreme west. So as you know, Arunachal Pradesh is on the eastern side, Gujarat on the western side. The sun rises earlier in Arunachal Pradesh than in Gujarat, and hence the difference is approximately 2 hours. Number 8. The northernmost point of India is called Indira Col. It is in Siachen Glacier. You have heard about Siachen Glacier, the world's highest battlefield and the coldest battlefield, where the temperature is always about minus 30, minus 40 degrees. And that point, we have a point called Indira Col, and that is the northernmost point of India. And the southernmost point of India, number 9, it is Indira Point, which is on Nicobar Island. And so the southernmost point is Indira Point, and it is on Nicobar Island. But this island exists no more. It is not existing these days because in 2004 tsunami, it got submerged. Next, we come to India's neighbors. Now, who are our neighboring countries? Our neighboring countries, if you think then or see in the map, then you will see the neighboring countries are China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Pakistan and Myanmar. These are the countries which has land boundaries with us. And we have islands also, island countries also nearby, and they are Sri Lanka and Maldives. India stands and the last point is India stands apart from the rest of Asia and known as Indian subcontinent. India is not in although India is a part of Asia, but if you see India has a boundary with Asia, and that is Himalaya. So it is one way separated from Asian mainland by this huge mountain range, and that's why it is called Indian subcontinent.